rubbing and massaging the goat here. Treat it well so you can enjoy it at the end. Welcome to Cooking with Nanu. Today I'm going to share a recipe on how to make goat in the oven. Goat might not be popular here, but it's very popular in Kenya. I don't think I even have a memory of when I started eating goat because I've pretty much eaten it my entire life. Goat is usually made in 3 ways. You can grill it, fry it, or you can even make a stew out of it. But what I'm going to do today is show you a simple way of making goat that's going to be really tasty and flavorful. And we're going to make it in the oven just using 2 ingredients, which is salt and smoked paprika. Alright, so we're going to start off here with the spices, which is the paprika and the salt. I'm going to go ahead and add them in here. Just going to use my hands here. So just add the salt. And then, of course, bring in the paprika. Just kind of spread it out. And then we'll add the warm water. Same thing, just, spread it out. And then I'm gonna just start, massaging and just mixing the spices in here. You wanna make sure you massage it. That helps soften it and also help get all the spices in there really well. Don't rush this process. This is gonna determine how your goat is gonna end up tasting. Making sure all those flavors go in there. If you pay attention as you're mixing and massaging it, you can kind of feel where the spices like the salt and the paprika are. You can feel the roughness. So if you focus, you can really know the areas that are getting too much of it and if you have it evenly distributed. So don't rush. Now it looks really good and it's ready to go in the oven. It's gonna be at 350 degrees and for 2 hours. Now the goat is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it from the oven. Oh wow, look at that. It's falling off the bones. Just look at that. Look at how, of course, it's nice and soft. Of course, I'm gonna be tasting it. It just melts in your mouth. It's really moist. As you can see, it's just falling off the bone. It's nice and juicy. Hope you guys will enjoy it. Thank you for watching Cooking with Nanu.